recently added on Jeffrey Lewis low-budget Netflix streaming, ready for binge watching. Recommended because you recently watched Complete History of Communism Chapter 9. On this nature program, we will explore the delicate ecosystems that make up the ineffable beauty of our natural world. Such as Season 1, Episode 1. They're 99.99% human, wonderful, scientifically fascinating, adorable, cannibal monkeys! Cannibal monkeys eat leaves. They can sniff out the roots and dig out the new shoots. Cannibal monkeys keep watch. They alert one another and every baby and mother. Cannibal monkeys like starfruit. They love to find this and eat this for the texture and sweetness. Cannibal monkeys trade songs. They all hang out and listen in a mutual system. And cannibal monkeys eat faces till nothing remains from the lips to the brains. Cannibal monkeys sniff petals, and they can tell from the petal the way a snowfall will settle. Cannibal monkeys taste water, and if it's healthy and clean, they tell the rest what they've seen. Cannibal monkeys like seeds, and if they find a lot more, then they can gather and store them. Cannibal monkeys have friends, and they all gather and scatter in a complex social pattern. And cannibal monkeys eat faces. They might eat the soul when it's teary, but we're not sure of that theory. Cannibal monkeys prefer forests on the edge of the sand where rivers tend to expand. Cannibal monkeys climb willows. They've evolved skills and talents that give them excellent balance. And when cannibal monkeys smell berries, they're such particular eaters, they might walk 900 meters. Cannibal monkeys breed yearly, and their babies are chubby and super playful and fuzzy. And cannibal monkeys eat faces. They have special incisors that make blood shoot out in geysers. Cannibal monkeys prefer forests on the edge of the sand where rivers tend to expand. Oh, they have neighbors. Aside from just family care, they often help out and share. And cannibal monkeys have mates. They trade partners each season for some biology reason. Cannibal monkeys have dreams. They sleep in groups of big numbers in common dream cycle slumbers. Cannibal monkeys feel wonder. They seem to gather at noon just to all look at the moon. And cannibal monkeys eat faces. Like fuzzy heat-seeking rockets, they tear out tongues, ears, and sockets. From the sky to the granite, it's a mysterious planet.